Hey Virion. Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top 4 Best 3.5-Ton Mini Excavator Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
Professional excavator manufacturer, Leyte Machinery has 12 years of manufacturing experience, owns the largest construction machinery production base in China, with a team of over 700 ensuring quality. With coordinated warehouses in China, Italy, and the US, we offer fast global shipping, low logistics costs, complete customs clearance.
Number 3.
Product Sell Points, EPA/CE certified, complies with stringent EPA and CE standards, ensuring eco-friendly and safe operation. 3.5-ton capacity, powerful 3.5-ton diesel excavator capable of tackling a variety of digging tasks.
Number 2.
Hot sale in Europe and America, 1.8-ton mini excavator with EPA and Euro 5 compliant Kubota engine. Compact crawler digger offers strong performance, low emissions, and fuel efficiency. Ideal for agriculture, landscaping, and construction. Supports multiple attachments, smooth operation, easy maintenance.
Number 1.
Affordable 3.5-ton mini excavator with powerful hydraulic system and multifunction attachments. Compact crawler digger delivers strong digging, easy transport, and fast delivery. Ideal for gardens, farms, and construction sites. Supports customization, smooth operation, fuel efficiency.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.